Good morning, everybody. We've got a couple shirts sitting here soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for about the last 30 minutes to an hour. About to twist them up and throw some color on them. Come along for the ride. What'd you say you had planned for this first one there?
Probably one of those yoke pattern.
A twisted yoke pattern. Twisted yoke.
I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do what do we call that? Like a pleated.
Pleated yoke, yeah. Pleated yoke.
It was like I'm gonna do pleated on the bottom instead of a scrunch.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yep. We got a large soft style here.
Let me think how I want to do this. So.
Gonna start with the yoke.
How do I do that again?
You just fold it across from one side to the other with the yoke. You pleat the yoke, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Pleat the entire yoke. It's a pleated yoke with pleated bottom. Last time we did opposing pleats, remember? That was really cool. We pleated the yoke and then we pleated the bottom the other direction, which was kind of unique and neat.
No, I don't think we've done that. That's why I wanted to do it this way.
I thought we had done that. Maybe we haven't. Maybe that was the idea that we had last time. We never actually did it. I can't remember. We might have pleated them all the same way and talked about next time pleating them in different directions. Got some nice fine pleats there. I'm going to try to make them as even as possible. Pleated yoke.
This might be too tight.
Too what? Too tight?
Yeah, this rubber band might be too tight, but whatever,
Yeah.
we're gonna make it work.
We'll figure it out. Yeah, you don't want your pleats to get scrunched together too much, because then you don't have the ability to sprinkle the color on them and have a pattern go across them like that. If they're all just bunched into a ball, then you need them flat so you can go across them with the color. Make nice horizontal stripes of color if you're looking at it this way. And then she's just pleating down to the bottom there, where she's gonna, I believe, pleat the other direction, right?
That is the plan. We're gonna see how that works out.
Cool,
Not quite
cool.
sure about that, but we're definitely gonna try.
Gonna try it. So we got our pleated yoke, pleated top. Now we're gonna pleat the bottom in a different direction. This is gonna be a cool shirt, I believe, no matter what. So we just like trying new cool designs. Down it. Looks like a Casper ghost or something. Casper the Friendly Tie-Dye. Spooky. Look at that. That's a pretty cool looking pattern, I believe.
Let's see how it turns out.
We'll find out, yep. Another scenario, you don't want to have them way too tight, but you want to have them tight enough, people. Got to be able to get into the folds, you know what I mean? If you're not getting in the folds, you're just not doing it right. You want to get all the way in the folds. All of the folds.
Alright. I'm gonna put about 2 more on here.
2 for the other side, and then we're going to carry it over to the dyeing rack, throw some color on it. I believe she's already chosen her colors. Babes has already chose her colors for this one. What colors you got planned for it?
I'm thinking some pinks and some yellows.
Some pinks and some yellows. You know which specific ones yet?
No, I have to look over
Oh.
there and see what we have once I grab them.
We will have some pinks and yellows.
I'm gonna go ahead and lay this guy on over there.
On the rack. Think you might need an accessory rack, or do you think that rack's gonna be enough?
I think this is gonna be enough.
The anchor. The boat anchor. Boat anchor tie-dye. Cool.
That's what that looks like.
Yep. Then we have our color selection here.
Oh, I shouldn't have fell.
I know, I gotta put the lid back on it. Always keep the lid on it.
You know what that is?
What?
It's part of a knit.
Oh. What colors you got planned? We got
There's the hot pink.
hot pink,
And citrus yellow.
citrus yellow,
Golden yellow.
golden yellow,
And bubblegum.
bubblegum. Ooh, good combo. To the dyeing rack we go. Back to the boat anchor here. Just can't seem to get away from it. What color is that? Bubblegum?
This is bubblegum.
A little bit of bubblegum for the tips. Color we got next? Hot pink.
Hot pink, yes.
A little bit of hot pink. Let's get a little transition there.
Okay, so we got that.
Blending on in to some
Citrus yellow.
citrus yellow. Looking good. Citrus yellow. Then what do we have next?
This is golden yellow.
Good old golden yellow. Nice blend of yellows and pinks. That's what you said the plan was. Sticking to it.
I'm gonna go back to hot pink.
Back to the hot pink. Fill in the bottom here. And then a stripe of bubble gum in the middle there. That'll look really cool.
Thinking that's what I'm gonna do.
That's pretty awesome. Man, look at that. That's cool. Okay. Look at that. That's gonna turn out pretty good, I think. Just Don't let it flop in. A little more of the bubble gum.
Hot pink at all those spots. That was right here.
All the hot pinkers.
Right there.
Right there.
Here. Right here.
All the good hot pink areas.
And then we did
Citrus yellow.
That was my bad. Citrus.
Golden yellow.
Golden.
A little there. Splash there. Little there. Ooh, nice. A little touch more bubble gum. It's a light color, so you need to use it very heavily. Man, that looks pretty good. Ready to carry it?
Yeah.
To the drying rack. Let's get our drip tray. And to the drying rack away we go. The boat anchor. Second shelf?
Yeah.
Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to wash it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.